Hi guys! Good morning! It's already 4:16. So man! No, it's morning. Yeah.
Ang dilim pa, oh.
Ang dilim pa. Sobrang aga namin. Late na kami, dapat 4 ang alis namin eh.
15 minutes late.
Yeah, ang tagal ng mga alagars ko. Sarado na yung garage. Pupunta kami ngayon sa Kelowna.
Pupunta kami sa farm.
Sa farm na may kapibara.
At mga iba-ibang animal.
Kaso, ang nakita ko is merong wildfire ngayon. Kahapon nag-start. Good luck. Sana hindi ganun kalapit doon. Good morning guys! Sobrang dilim pa guys. Samahan nyo kami for today's video. Magbe-video tayo doon para makita nyo yung Kelowna. Yeah, gutom na agad sila. Dadaan na lang kami sa McDo or somewhere para mag-breakfast. Kasi ang aming biyahe is magcha-charge muna kami ng 1 hour. Simula dito 1 hour and 30 minutes. Parang mga 5 hours drive. Yun, samahan nyo kami guys!
Over sa Hope mag-charge.
Yeah. Tapos mag-breakfast muna kami. Kasi wala pa kaming makakain. Naligo lang kami. Tapos diretso na. Tapos nagising kami late na. Samahan nyo kami guys! Guys, wala pang ganong tao. Oh. Wala pang ganong cars.
Antok pa siya guys. Nag-record siya pero hindi pinindot.
Maaga pa guys. Wala pang ganong tao. Wala pang ganong cars. Kasi sobrang aga namin. Ito yung nakakamiss eh. Yung road trip ng gandong kaaga. Pero last time nag-road trip naman kami. Gabi naman kami umalis. Pumunta kaming Edmonton. Kailan yun? April? Yeah. April pa yung last road trip namin. Nag-drive lang sila papuntang Calgary. Dito na kami sa highway guys. Ano highway ito lang? Papuntang Hope.
Highway 1.
Highway 1 papuntang Hope.
Eastbound.
Wala pang ganong car. Ito yung maganda, walang traffic.
Walang traffic.
Yeah, tutulog pa yung mga persons. Hindi mainit pero mamaya mainit na. Sana walang araw.
So far cloudy yung nakita ko. Cloudy ngayon.
Yeah, sana magdire-diretso kasi sobrang init ngayon dito kaya nga may mga wildfire. Yung mga nakaraang araw malamig, tas ngayon sobrang init na naman. Hindi mo malaman. Ay, ang bilis ni Kuya. Ito lang yung mga nakakatakot sa mga highway.
Yung truck na sobrang bilis.
Bibilis nila.
Slowly.
Medyo kabado ang mga person sa ganyan.
Portland Bridge.
Portland Bridge.
Portland Bridge.
Kala ko Portland. Napunta sa Portland.
First stop. Wala pa isang oras. Nangagutom na lahat. McDo kami. Walang mga kain. Puro gutom. So let's go McDonald's.
Yan guys, na uwi kami sa drive-thru. Sarado pa pala. Maaga pa. Pero yung drive-thru nila bukas na. Gutom na ang mga person! Aga-aga kasi namin, diba? Mas maganda yung maaga. Tapos 5 hours yun. And then yung pupuntahan namin open ng 9 o'clock. Parang
baka mga 10 darating.
Yeah, mga 10 siguro kami darating. Para wala pang ganong walang ganong tao. Guys, dito na kami sa first stop.
Charge.
Dito, charge muna tayo dito. Saglit, ang dami nilang charger.
Saglit.
Dami
50, so 10 minutes siguro.
Mga 10 minutes. Charge muna tayo. Isa pa lang yung
pwede tayo
nag-charge.
gagala sa loob. Wala namang gala dyan. Coffee.
Coffee.
Tingin tayo. While waiting.
Yan. Charge muna tayo. Mga 10 minutes lang naman na tayo. Ano tatay? 10 minutes. Stretching muna.
Mag-overcharge. Mag-sobra kasi mag-extra charge. Hindi na yung sasakyan i-charge. Yung card natin i-charge.
Yan.
Dagdagan yung bayad.
Ganda dito guys, oh.
Pakita natin yung bundok.
Nasa bundok pa lang tayo. Malayo na tayo sa Kabiasnan. At tapos na sila kuya. Kami na lang pala naiwan.
Oh, stretch muna. Yan. Bundok. Nasa bundok na kami. Ito, nag-charge na ako.
Nilalervious ang horizons.
Sa taas ng bundok na to. Kasi,
Tapos ang
alam mo
bibilis
yan,
pa.
kasi ma-feel mo sa time.
Yeah, ang bibilis pa ng mga sasakyan. Ayan, medyo bumaba na tayo.
Another stop.
Yeah.
Dito kami sa Merit, no? Merit. Charge ulit.
Yeah. Meron
15
namang malapit na charger to.
10-15 minutes. Kaya lang, ayaw niya. Kasi 20% na lang matira. Pero 20%, ano pa yan? 60?
I know, pero mamaya magka-aberya.
60, 70 kilometers.
Mayroon silang wildfire na yun.
Daming mga ano. Ang daming mga, ano tawag nito? Mosquito. Oh, puro mosquito.
At least, we're here! Oh,
Merit.
2 more hours, guys. 2 more hours.
2 more hours.
2 more hours.
Nainip na sila kasi ang tagal daw. The capybara is waiting.
Wala tayong dalang jacket kasi.
Guys, the world is ending daw. Kasi we're in the middle of nowhere daw. Kasi halos wala daw laman dito. Guys, what's ending? Nag-charge lang kami sandali. The world is ending. Look, there's so much. Look, there's Popeye's chicken. There's Dairy Queen.
That's an abandoned house. That's
No.
an abandoned house. That's an abandoned house.
That's
an
gas
abandoned
station.
house. This is broken. That's broken.
We're charging. How is it broken?
It's broken because it's not working.
It is. We're charging.
It's not working.
Hmm?
See, do you hear that sound?
Yeah, maybe your eye is broken.
No.
But oh, help. Okay, I'll get it.
Okay guys, let's go na ulit. 2 more hours. Tapos na kami mag-charge at nakakita na naman sila ng triple O. Makasalanan talaga yan, triple O na yan.
Gasto na naman.
Hindi pa kami nakakarating sa paroroonan na. Kanya-kanya na silang gastos. Yan, 2 more hours. Pagdating namin doon, 50% pa. Okay na yun. Mag-charge ulit tayo bago tayo dumating doon. May charger pa doon, di ba?
Yeah, may dalawa doon natin.
Yeah, may charger pa doon. Bago kami pumunta ng Kangaroo. Malapit lang yun doon. No? Tingnan na lang natin muna doon. Yeah, mag-charge muna kami after. Nakadalawang charge na kami, parang binayaran lang namin is $15. No, love? Canadian dollars, 15.
Yeah.
Ano?
Yeah.
Kung sa gas, nakailang gas na tayo, dalawa din. I don't think so, yeah. Mga ganun, no?
Pero gas, $60, $70.
Yeah, $70. Laki din naman ang ano. Malaking tulong din to. Okay, first time kasi namin gamitin to ngayon dito sa ano. Usually ginagamit namin to sa US, mga Seattle, ano, mga 4 hours din. Doon lang namin nagamit to. Pero dito, first time namin. Tinry namin kung may mga charger ba, ganun-ganun. Meron naman, kaso medyo malalayo nga lang.
Kasi mahaba na yung range ng ano ngayon.
Yeah. Mas marami pa rin gasoline station. Ayan, papunta na kaming Kelowna. Maaraw na. Ang dating namin doon is, anong oras dating natin doon ba? 10 o'clock na. Kanina 9:30 lang. Sa dami naming stopover. Naging 10 o'clock na. Ang dami ng tao nun.
Shake pa.
Yeah. Shake pa sila. Oh my goodness.
Right
Eh
side.
guys, oh, parang may fire dito.
Right side.
Ano dito?
Meron pa, oh.
Ayun, oh.
Nag-ano,
Amoy, ano?
wildfire.
Amoy sunog, oh.
How are you guys seeing this?
The
I
smoke.
smelled it.
You smell the smoke, love? Yung ano, hangin sa loob na lang. Ayan, there, oh.
Look at smoke.
Why is there smoke? I see it!
Yeah, wildfire.
The smoke there, oh.
See the smoke?
Pero tingnan mo yung lake. Everyone, look at the lake.
Tingnan nyo naman yung lake, guys.
Oh, na.
Sandito pa rin kami, guys.
Traffic sa Kalawa na.
Na-traffic kami sobra. Makakarating kami dun mga 11 na siguro. Mga 30 minutes pa eh. Ano na oras na? 10 na. Mga 11 na siguro. Sobrang traffic. Dito, ewan ko anong bridge to. Bridge ng Kelowna. Pero grabe ang traffic, oh. Ang bagal ng usad namin. Kumakain na lang kami dito ng chips. Yung isang anak ko nakatulog na. Nagre-recharge siya para mamaya. Sobrang traffic, oh. Hindi mo, hindi nagagalaw.
Malapit na.
Lapit na eh. 30 minutes na lang eh, oh. Kaso sobrang traffic na magiging isang oras pa. Ang isang oras na kaming stuck sa traffic. Oh well, tanghali na kasi.
We're here.
Guys, nandito na kami after. Ay, doon.
Ito.
It feels like a
Welcome to Kangaroo Creek Farm.
it
This way.
sunscreen.
Yeah, dito na sa loob.
It feels like a beach to me.
Yeah, after napagod sila na init, ito
6.5
na.
hours? My goodness.
Yeah, dahil sa traffic.
Sobrang traffic. At sobrang init dito.
Oo, 30 degrees ngayon.
Sayang ang gluta, guys.
Gluta ito. Entrance. Let's go.
Go, guys.
Okay. This way, guys. We're here. Ito yung mga ano. Porcupine, parrot, reptile. Dito tayo muna. Dito tayo. Guys. We're here. No running. See that? That looks like Scarlett running. Like crazy eyes. Just joking.
Sugar glider first?
Yeah. Capybara and sugar glider. It's right here. Nanay. Here.
Capybara first.
Ha? Capybara daw muna.
Capybara first and then sugar.
Guys, ito na yung capybara na inaantay nila noon pa, oh. Inantok na. Oo. Parang si Peng Peng.
Look at it.
Yeah, no, they're 23
Ayan.
years old.
What baby?
Ang dami nila, oh.
There's a baby.
The
Oh.
years are blending together. Oh, in the winter, I'm just remembering it in which I was there.
It's so cute.
Nanay, you want?
No.
Why are you scared? Guys, takot.
So these guys are the largest species
Yeah.
of rodents, so they can get anywhere from 100 to 150 pounds. Our largest one is 90 pounds.
Guys, pahigain ka.
So a lot of these little babies here, they're about, I think 8 months old. They were born in December last year. The medium-sized ones here were born in 2023.
Ay,
And we have 2 mamas.
Ito, gusto yung chan. Gusto niya mag-grab ng chan.
That's one, and the other one is
So cute.
Ayun na.
over there.
Kanina, higa agad.
They're calm.
Ano, ang lambot ng...
How long do they live?
dami nila.
Usually from anywhere from 10 to 14. That's the average lifespan for large rodents like this. 14 is like they've absolutely exceeded their, like that's like the oldest ones lived. 10 is the average. Our 2 retired capybaras, they're our oldest ones. They're both 11.
Okay. Where do they go when they retire?
We put them in a like isolation in a. Would you like to hold her?
So she's 3 years old.
And you can pet her if you like, just keep your fingers away from my nose, okay? got to take her off. Just let me know. Get in there.
Rabbit ang laki. Laki ng rabbit nila, oh.
Oh, it's so chill. It's chill. You can pet it. Yeah, you can pet it. So big. Holy cow. Look, it's so soft.
It's so soft.
Okay, oh. Grabe.
The porcupine. That's insane.
Yeah, she's gorgeous. By far the most social animal on the farm as well. Like with people, yeah. And last one, feed her.
Thank you. Try mo, Chi. Ching. Ching.
She'll eat it out of your hand as well if you just hold it down like that for her.
Oh my goodness, she's so
You wanna try? Just do that.
Her name's Priscilla.
Gonna eat it for you.
Oh, siya nga si Pris. Ito naman, maliliit na bunny. Oh, chilling, chilling.
They're so used to people. Yeah, ayun, ang dami dun eh. Ilalim ng puno. Guys, look there, under the,
Ay, sobrang init dito. Grabe, oh. Ang pawis ng mukha ko. Oh. Bunnies.
He ran away.
so friendly. All the way under, busy. He's working. And a tortoise.
This turtle?
Yeah, tortoise. The same as in
Where's the turtle?
our place in the Philippines, remember? Right there. All the way to the end.
Yan. Sila tatay maraming ganyan sa
I
Pinas.
see it! I see it!
Marami. May dalawa kami ganyan malaki.
Mas malaki
It's
pa
like
ata
in a
dyan.
rock.
Matayuan mo na nga yun.
May ganyan sila kaya
Banis sa
Hindi na
Sakibara.
sila
Gusto
ano.
nila balik.
hindi na sila ano dyan.
Mas mo banis yan. Look.
Kasi nung umuwi kami last January, December, kita na nila yan. Nahawakan nila kaya hindi na sila interesado. Ito. Bunnies. Mga bunnies nandun, oh.
Let's go to,
Came in the exit. A lot of people are going out
Yeah.
the other one, but
We're all the way under.
I think it's fine either way.
yeah, I think it's
Fine. Okay, say bye-bye, Rock. You want the rock? Bye-bye, Bun. Bye-bye.
Si gusto.
No, No, it doesn't interested. Like try maybe that one it's moving so much. Maybe he likes to eat.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, that's thinking.
That one. Oh no, he doesn't. Like one in front of him doesn't. The one I fed
That one is cool. Which one?
under there.
Yan, pakainin nila yung mga bunnies.
No? The
Mga
other one. There's
busog.
another one behind you. There.
Mga busog
busog
ata
there.
sila.
Yeah, that
Ang
one.
laki-laki nila, oh. Sobrang pakain na sa kanila.
It's asleep.
She's
Oh,
sleeping?
here, there's more, yeah.
Oo.
Ito, ang taba.
Chilling na sila.
Oh, there. This one. No, he doesn't like this one. Is he gonna eat? No? Maybe this one's hungry? No, this one. Yeah, there. He's moving. No? They're all full. They had too much to eat. Busog na lahat.
There's one over there.
No, I think they're full.
What is squished between?
Oh, this one. This one. I think he likes to eat. He's eating already. Oh, I think he likes it more. No, just
It scared me.
Hand it. It's okay. He's not gonna bite you. Where you...
It's putting dirt on that one.
Oh no.
Open?
I think he's watching the
May mga nakakulong. Ito may isa nakawala.
may sound yung ano nila, oh.
Kaya nga eh. Nakakatakot labang mong lapita. Nakawala siya.
Okay, so don't pick up the bunny.
Dapat ba nakawala siya or ano?
Nasa cage to. That means
Kaya nga.
they're not supposed to be out.
Paano siya
Pero pakinggan
nakawala?
mo, yung may,
Yeah.
may drum yung parang chan nila.
Oo. May isa nakawala. Nakakatakot baka.
Can I go to the kangaroos?
Yeah.
Oh, mga parrot eh. Ha? Oh yeah.
Mom and Sonny are sitting down over there.
Yung baboy. May baboy din dito. Sa atin, lechon. Lechon na yan.
Guys, ito naman mga kangaroo. Yan, ang dami. Kinain? Tulog na. Yan oh.
Kangaroo. Who wants to go first? You want me to try first? After she drinks, okay? Or he, I don't know.
Ang dami nila dun oh. Oh, naguhukay siya. Sabi niya kakainom ko lang. Katulog na siya.
Oh, they're very gentle. You wanna try? You can keep the whole thing. Everything. Oh, closer. It's okay, they're very gentle. The way they're not gonna pull it off.
Picture kayo, Ching.
Just pat on the back.
Ayan na. Gusto na nilang hawakan. Si Chi kanina takot eh.
Parang wala eh, parang yung sofa. Pwede mo higaan eh. Pwede mo.
Wala siyang ano. Ayun na nag-hop-hop siya doon.
Ito, baby.
Wala siyang baby sa loob ng tiyan.
And go for the
Cho lo ba mày khuấy cái bạc kia xuống để cho
Those ones, you can put it.
the big one doesn't.
Nanay, you're
Sabi,
supposed
ang
to-
dami dito, oh.
Tulad din sila.
Ha? Dami, meron pa doon. Doon, meron pa din doon. Ayun, doon chilling sila doon kasi ini-store sila, oh.
I got some more. No? Oh, nanay. Hindi siya takot.
Ochi, go.
No, what's his name? Closer, closer. He can't bite it if it's too far. No, Chi, because he's lying down. Closer. It's,
Yan, parang baby pa yun, maliit pa.
This big one.
May kapibara na napasali sa kanila. Yan.
Wait, can I wash my hands?
Yeah, wait.
May kapibara nakahalo.
Kaya nga eh. Nangliligaw siya, nanliligaw.
Pero parang na-stress yun sa tingin. Baby capybara. Parang bunny tingnan. Yeah. Oh, they're still scared. They're not that chill. Anyway, because they're babies. Look, dito sa mga kambing. Dito kami sa mga kaldereta. Ito, Chi. Kaldereta. Ayun nila, kaldereta. Oh, it's peeing. It's peeing. Umiipas. Harap ko. Ito, goat. Yeah. See? Come. Takot sila, guys. Ang layo nila. Takot. Guys, binalikan talaga yung bunny. Ngayon, ay ang maliit, gusto pinipilit yung nanay hawakan yung bunny. Oh. Pero, oh, ano, kaya mo? Pinipilit niya si nanay mahawak ng bunny. Nanay, you have to pet the bunny. She asked for it.
I'll give you $100 for it.
What? Nanay, $100. Oh, touch it.
I touched it. Never mind. You get $10 for doing that.
It's okay, go. Do it. I touched it already.
What? Wala, gusto yung bunny, binabalikan talaga, oh.
Kasi si Ching dati, yung maliit, si Chi, yung maliit yan. Lahat ng kulay ng, anong bunny yun?
Yung jellycat.
Jellycat na bunny, lahat ng kulay pinabili niya. Mahilig siya talaga sa bunny nung bata siya. Ayan guys, nakalabas, nakamarites kami. Kaya pala siya nakalabas kasi friendly naman daw sila lahat. Pero siya yung binubuli ng iba. Kaya sineperate siya dyan. Sila yung pinapasok sa loob. Siya nandyan siya.
Guys, kain tayo.
Guys, andito na kami.
Naka-check-in kami, sobrang gutom. Tapos para kami nasunog sa labas. Grabe, naging 39 degrees.
Sobrang init
Yeah.
dito, grabe.
Sumayaw ng dalawa.
Sobrang gutom na kami.
Grabe.
Dito lang to nabibili sa baba. Pero okay naman siya.
Lumalabas ako ng sasakyan para na ako naluto.
Sobrang init
Oh.
dito, grabe guys.
Ano to? Park Inn. Tapos sa baba, may Filipino restaurant. Masarap. So far, masarap siya. Ito yung mga pagkain.
So far, so
Barbecue,
good.
siomay.
Hindi ko lang nagustuhan yung siomay.
Yeah.
Pero guys,
Ito, chicken inasal. Shanghai. So, try nyo dito.
guys,
Ito,
dinner na.
dinner na.
Kaya na kaming ginawa, nag-swimming lang kami
Nag-swimming
after
lang,
kanina.
maliit lang yung
After
pool.
namin kumain.
Maliit lang yung pool dito. Ito yung ano namin.
Hotel namin.
Maganda siya, malinis. Malinis, may pool.
Sobrang init dito mga guys. Parang
Parang-
nasa earth pa ba ako sa sobrang init? Ito yung namin.
Sisig.
Kikiam, sisig,
Kikiam.
banana con yelo,
Red Horse. In Canada.
saka rice. Maghati na lang ako kay tatay kasi tomorrow aalis
Yeah.
na naman kami.
Sayang, oh.
Sayang, ang laki-laki,
Dami, oh.
sayang. Kaya,
Okay dito, hindi ganun kamahal.
Hindi na
Tapos,
kami
ang laking serving.
yeah, hindi na kami nag-abala.
Ang washroom, oh. Nagamit na namin. Malinis yung washroom. Maganda yung ano nila dito. Okay to, Park Inn. Tapos, may washing machine pa sa baba.
Okay itong ano na to. guys.
Okay to yung hotel na to. May coffee pa. May libreng breakfast sa umaga. May coffee pa dun sa baba. Ikaw magawa. Alam ko.
Ay, ito lang
Okay.
yung ano no.
Kain muna kami.
Kain na tayo guys. Matutulog na rin kami after.
Yeah.
Kasi maaga kami bukas. Matatry namin ng cherry picking. Sama din namin kayo sa cherry picking, guys.
Yeah.
Okay? Kain tayo, guys!